Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and the battery is sufficient. That avoids interruptions during changes. On Android, open Settings and search for Sound and Vibration or Biometrics. On iOS, go to Settings, then Touch ID and Passcode. You'll need your PIN or existing biometric to proceed, so have that ready. Once done, make sure you're in the Fingerprint or Fingerprint sensor options. This is where the haptic or vibration toggle appears when supported by the vendor. You now navigate into the fingerprint sensor settings and look for haptic options. Locate labels like Vibrate on Touch, Finger Sensor Feedback, or Haptic Feedback and toggle them off. This immediately stops the vibration when touching the sensor. If you don't find the option in Biometrics, check Sound and Vibration, Accessibility, or the manufacturer's system app. Samsung, OnePlus, and others sometimes keep it under Device Care or System UI. Make sure to test the sensor after toggling to confirm behavior changed. Finish by testing the fingerprint unlock several times to confirm vibration is gone. You should feel only the screen or no twitch. If the change didn't take effect, restart the device. Many system toggles require a reboot to apply. If vibration persists, update the OS and device firmware, then clear fingerprint sensor settings and re-enroll fingerprints. Sometimes old sensor data forces default feedback. Troubleshooting tip: if none of this works, contact the manufacturer, since some phones hardcode haptics at firmware level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.